For the egg lovers out there, a frittata is a really nice option for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Here we have some broccoli, red onion, green, red, and yellow peppers, mozzarella cheese, triple cheddar cheese, ground sausage, olive oil, and of course some broccoli. It is time to cook some peppers and onions. And once we get our peppers nice and sauteed, our red onion nice and sauteed, we'll take some of our time and we'll add some of our broccoli and continue to progress through I call the frittata the brunch banger. You cannot go wrong with this dish, especially if you have a cast iron pan. This is my cast iron pan from college. I call it the Terminator. It's seen smokers, ovens, stovetops. It's phenomenal. So, if you can, try to make this in a cast iron pan. I think the end result, you'll definitely appreciate it. So here we have our onions, and we're going to go ahead here and add some of our broccoli and saute that together. If you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe. Greatly appreciated. It supports the channel and helps us grow. Don't be afraid to add some water to your vegetables, especially while you're sauteing. Brings all the flavors together, as well as, it allows you to not use so much oil or butter, or whichever ingredient you choose to use when sauteing. Here we're going to include our ground sausage. What I love about this particular ingredient is it has flavor in itself, so it's going to add some flavor to the vegetables. Continue to mix these ingredients together. We're getting everything nice and prepared for our eggs, cheese, and a few other ingredients you'll see below in the description. Here we're going to add some garlic powder, a little bit of kosher salt, and of course, we have to add some ground pepper. Once all three ingredients are added, we'll whisk them together. Again, reminder, the full recipe is in the description. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and I'll definitely reply to you. Once everything's nice and whisked together, now it's time to add the cheese. The triple cheddar cheese. Oh, yeah. You can never have enough cheese. Now it's time to pour our eggs, our seasoned eggs, over our other ingredients. It just mirroring both of them together. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. Wish you could smell this, but you will when you make this on your own. And we're going to mix all that together. So the sausage, the peppers, the onions, the garlic. Again, feel free to substitute with vegetables that you like. There's no wrong way of making a frittata. There's no wrong way to making eggs. You can even pick your favorite cheese. I particularly like cheddar and mousse. So those are two of the cheeses that I wanted to marry in this dish. So here we're going to top our frittata with some mousse. Give it a nice cheesy and crusted top once we pull this out of the oven. The oven's set to 375. This is 20 minutes in the oven. We're going to go another 25 minutes and this thing will be done and sizzling. This frittata really turned out well. Nice golden top, lightly crusted edges. You can See that sizzle on the side of the cast iron pan? We'll let this cool down for a little bit, and then we'll slice it up and show you the finished product. Not bad. I think it turned out pretty good. You can see pieces of the sausage and the peppers. Again, you could substitute basil, tomatoes, any vegetable that works for you. Again, I highly recommend this dish if you have a family party, get together, brunch, baby shower, whatever it is. It's inexpensive, it's quick, it's easy, and it's versatile, right? I mean, you could really add any type of veggies that you have in the fridge. Again, know the consistency of the veggies you're working with and have fun. One of the things that I didn't notice, I didn't use milk in this because I don't drink milk, and it turned out great. If you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe. Greatly appreciated. It supports the channel and helps us grow.